In this one, we're going to go over ALGN Technologies. So we're going to quickly go over what is ALGN Technologies. We're going to do an in-depth overview of the company and talk about the Invisalign bracers as well as itero. We're going to talk about itero, what it is, how it's going to help the company, what it does. We're going to go over the financials. And at the end of this, I'm going to tell you if I feel like it's a buy, sell, or even a hold. So let's get on with it. Welcome to Tomorrow Venture Investing. ALGN Technologies. For those that don't know, ALGN Technology has an Invisalign bracers for dental. A clear Invisalign is a better alternative than trying to do with bracers. ALGN Technologies has partnership with orthodontics all over the country, where their main business model is to sell the Invisaligns to the dentistries, and the dentistries do a markup, and then they profit from it. Near the end of 2020, ALGN announces a new Invisalign, the G8. And according to ALGN Technologies, it's the latest innovation for the dental healthcare department. ALGN Technologies G8 is a more improved innovation on the dental healthcare. It has enhances of like deep bite correction. ALGN Technologies also has itero, which is a 3D scanning imaging system that can scan a 3D image of your teeth in about 60 seconds, which is supposed to greatly improve the dentist with the patients, which is a great tool for dentist office to help quickly find a solution. ALGN Technology is the front runner in Invisalign. Their competitor is Smile Direct Club, which in the link above is a video I did on that stock directly. Smile Direct Club has other products that they sell, toothpaste, toothbrush, other dental health care that they sell in Walmart, as well as both companies have their own form of Invisalign to improve greater smiles. Also find a link in the description on the Smile Direct Club stock. Are you enjoying this video? Then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give us a like. It's free, and it really helps out with the algorithm. And since you're hitting that like button, you might as well go ahead and subscribe to it. It's right there next to it. And hit that notification bell, too, so you can get more awesome videos just like this one. And now, back to our normal scheduled programming. ALGN Technology sells under the ticker symbol ALGN, and at the moment, they're $524 a share, with their 52-week high being 737 and their 52-week low at 494, we are more closer to the lower end of the market, with the 41 billion market cap and a 56 PE, which in my opinion is trading pretty high. I would like to see around 20 myself. And at the moment, the other takeaway is the volume. We are trading at a very low average volume at the moment. I would like to normally see 1 million trades in a day, not 809K, which is extraordinary high over their average volume of 670K. Now, this can change from day to day, but with such a low volume on the day-to-day, that makes not very much activity on ALGN Technologies. But we do have hope. We have 14 analysts covering this stock, and they give it a 1-year price target of $759 per share, with an EPS of $11.09 estimate, which is now leading us into the technical analysis point of view advanced chart reading. Over the technical analysis point of view, we're going to go over some key elements that we see in this chart. And we're going to talk about the moving averages. Those are the 4 flowing lines that you see: red, yellow, orange. These indicate the stock price over that period of time. There's a 200-day, a 100-day, a 50-day and a 20-day on this chart. And we can gather quite a bit of information from just this. For starters, our graph, all our engulfing candlesticks here, are all below all 4 lines of the moving averages, as well as the red line, which is the 200-day moving average, is now heading toward back in its spot on top, which is indicating you should sell the stock if you're holding any, because it's going to drop some more. In order for this to correct, we're going to need a lot of volume to come back into this stock, which at the moment, we noticed earlier, we don't have very much of. Our next point of view of interest is the stochastic at %K, where these squirrely lines are below both of the red horizontal lines, which are set at a 32% lower one and an 80% higher one, which will help us identify when a stock has been oversold or overbought. And at the moment, our trend lines are indicating an oversold stock, where they're at the moment, trending lower. These trend lines trending lower are not going to trend upwards until we get more volume. We're really going to need more volume to do a reversal. And going over the past year, our technical analysis has a sell rating of a 20% year-to-date loss on the stock. Align Technology is going to have their 4th earnings call for the year in February 2nd. We'll just take an account of what they did in the last 3 announcements. They beat 10% in their 3rd quarter of 2021 and 20% beat in their 2nd quarter of 2021, and they did another 20% on their 1st quarter of 2021, and with their 4th quarter being a beat in 2020. Which brings me to feel a little confidence that they will be in their 4th quarter they're going to announce on February 2nd of 2022, which could drum up some excitement around the stock. And that would give more volume into the stock and possibly reverse the trend lines. But in my opinion, Align Technologies is a hold for me. And why is it a hold for me is because of the low volume. I really need 1 million shares traded at least minimum a day. The trend lines indicating trending lower, which is going to allow me to pick up shares later if I hold at a lower price. And with inflation on a rise, and with the line being on the higher end of the spectrum scale of Invisalign bracers, makes it, well, kind of scary if people are going to be able to afford or want to spend the money for the Invisalign bracers from Align Technologies. And with the face coverings, people might not be too excited about going and fixing their teeth. Hey, thanks for watching Tomorrow Venture Investing. If you've not done so, hit the like button and subscribe. And also, if you like, leave a comment. Let me know if you enjoyed this video or not. According to the YouTube algorithm, they suggest you should watch this video next. And I want to take this time out to thank you. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I appreciate it.